how to add admin on Messenger group chat. Now, all you have to do is to go to your Messenger application here. Now, you have to make sure, of course, that you have your own group chats. Now, what you want to do next is to tap on the group's name here and scroll down and go to chat info section and then go to see chat members. Now, the next thing that you want to do is here, you will see all the members and then you will see the admins here. Now, as you can see, there is only one person who is the admin, which is a group creator. Now, if you want to add another person as the admin on the Messenger group, and then you can tap on and choose people who you want to be an admin, or you can actually, let's say it's already a member in the group. Let's say this person, you want to, if you tap on that person, you will see these options here and just tap on make admin and then just confirm to make that person as an admin. And as you can see here, that person is now on the admin section. And basically that is how you add admin on Messenger group chat. Now, if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Messenger application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.